Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a powerful tool for researchers, students, and anyone seeking reliable information, ChatGPT. Whether you're working on an academic paper, a business report, or just exploring a new topic, well, ChatGPT can help you gather information and organize your research with ease. As always, don't forget to check the pinned comment for extra resources and tips to help you out on your research. Let's jump right in. Before we dive headfirst into gathering information, we need to get clear on what exactly we're researching. Whether you're writing a report, preparing for a debate, or just curious about a topic, well, the key to getting useful results from ChatGPT is asking the right questions. Having a well defined research question will give us focused, relevant information and keep us from going down unnecessary rabbit holes. So, let's see how ChatGPT can help us outline the core questions for a research project on climate change and marine biodiversity, for instance. So, there's the prompt right over here. Once settled, hit enter and let ChatGPT do all the work from there. All right, as you can see, ChatGPT is now generate a list of key questions. Alrighty, from each of that is a main question that are in bold, and there's also sub questions right here in relevance to this one. All right, see right here, we've got a clear roadmap for our research. Now for these questions, it will help us guide us toward the most relevant and meaningful information. This is a huge time saver, and this will ensure that every bit of research we could gather could be useful. See? Once we've clarified our research questions, the next step is gathering information from a variety of perspectives. This is where ChatGPT really shines. It can help you explore different angles on a topic, whether it's the pros and cons, challenges, or opportunities. When conducting research, it's critical to avoid bias, so collecting viewpoints from different sources is a must. Now let's see how ChatGPT can help us by, for instance, pulling together diverse perspectives on renewable energy adoption. So here's the prompt that I put up together, and then send this off now. All right, let's see how this goes. Right, as you can see, it's browsing, searching, and now it has search on 5 websites the ChatGPT has found. As you can see right here, in each benefit and challenges, there are source, website in each of them. Alrighty, as you'll see here. And yep, let's scroll up. Challenges, their technology, infrastructure, economic inequality, geopolitical tensions. Up here, 3 as well, environmental impact, economic growth, energy security, and independence. So, to recap, right over here, ChatGPT has provided an overview of the benefits and challenges of renewable energy adoption, along with some reliable sources to explore further. Which is this one, right over here. See? So, this gives us a well rounded foundation to build on. Whether you're writing a paper or preparing for a presentation, gathering diverse viewpoints like these helps ensure your research is thorough and unbiased. Now, if you find this video helpful so far, don't forget to subscribe to get notified whenever we post a new video. And if you could take just 2 seconds to smash that like button, it would help us get traction in the YouTube algorithm. Now that we've gathered diverse viewpoints and a wealth of information, it's time to organize everything into something manageable. This is where things can get overwhelming. How do you take all that data and synthesize it into clear, concise sections? Thankfully, ChatGPT can help by summarizing large amounts of information and even suggesting how to structure your findings. So let's see how ChatGPT can help us put or pull together key insights on the effects of social media on mental health, for instance. Right? Crafted together the prompt right here. Then let's send this off. Right? Just give it some time for ChatGPT to process the information right here. And there we have it. So, right, just as it currently processes right here, there you have. It seemed to be a concise summary of the main findings of that certain topic. Plus, as you'll see, it is structured through a research paper. So now, instead of wading through pages of information, we've got the key points that were laid out right here and an organized flow for presenting them. Well, this is perfect for anyone looking to streamline their research process. Right over here, seems that's familiar, right from the introduction, literature review, methodology, findings, discussion. Yep, right here, the subtopics, the talk about the main topic itself. There's the conclusion and references. And there you have it, a simple step-by-step guide to using ChatGPT for your research projects. From identifying key questions, gathering diverse perspectives, to synthesizing all that information into structured summaries, ChatGPT can be your go-to research assistant.